Yeah. Wait, a little bit more quiet. I just had to get you guys on camera right now, your boy, without the glasses. The Johnny Bravo. But I'm on the way. Turn right. I'm on the way to pick up something very, very fire. Sad though.
Let me pick up Starbucks.
Sad. No, bro. Sad but hype. Okay. The reason why I'm sad is because if you guys have seen or been paying attention in the shop, those gray chairs, I painted those. They were like wood before, and then I painted them, and it was from my house. But they were just getting like all dusty and stuff in the garage, and like I was like, you know what? My parents are not gonna care. But they low-key cared like a little bit after I painted it, because I did it without telling them. And then
where were they?
They were just, my mom was at work.
No, I mean, where were those chairs?
Oh, they're just in the carport. Yeah, they're just chilling, getting dusty, all messed up. So I was like, man, they're not gonna care. Took them, painted them.
Cared.
And then I went on OfferUp and I found something pretty crazy. I'm so hyped to show you guys right now. I'm gonna meet up with him right now. But yeah, I'm on the way right now to go meet up with the guy. I found it on OfferUp. It's a pretty crazy piece, so I'm hyped. It's a custom, so ain't nobody got this. Oh, and the homie hit me up and told me that he has something to give me tomorrow, so I'll definitely show you guys that, because I know what it is, and it is fire. Shout out to the boy Ryan. But yeah, let's go see it. Let's go.
This is all by hand.
How long did that take you?
You did this yourself?
Yeah. I will show you.
That's sick. That's all by hand? No, I like how it's like, yeah.
Look at. These are all the things I was doing.
That's sick, man. Holy.
I'm Laker all the way, man.
Yeah.
Check it out. Do what you want. Step on it. Look,
they're not doing too well right now.
Look.
Okay. I'm opening up like a barbershop slash like buy, sell, and trade of like vintage and streetwear. So then I needed a bench.
Oh.
And I've been searching benches on OfferUp for like months, and then this just popped up out of nowhere, and I was like,
well, no, because I really in my heart didn't want to sell it, but then I go, hey, I'm gonna, people, my kids were getting mad. Dad, don't sell it, don't sell it. Dad, I want it. No, because they wanted it.
Yeah.
But
it's going to a good.
And I got this. Look, this is the poncho.
Ooh, that's cool. Nice.
That was brand new, man. Yeah. I mean, that I bought, and I never did anything with it, but it just sat in my closet in a suitcase.
Okay. The bench is here. The court is up, and the basketball is in my hand. You know what that means. Before we get into this unboxing, your boy got to get one bucket. Just one. Yeah, I'm gonna hit him with that Tracy McGrady, baby. 1, 2, 3. Oh, baby! Let's go! Alright, let's get into this unboxing, baby. Alright. So the homie Brandon sent me this package again. Dude, this is the 4th package that he sent me, and that's amazing. It's a little darker. Is it cool? Yeah. 4th package he sent me, and because of all the stuff that he's been sending me, I'm actually gonna hook him up with some pieces, whether I find it in the thrift or in or here that I already have stashed. But it's just gonna be some. He told me his sizes and everything, and I gotta hook up.
Hukapu.
Oh my. Yo, I thought it was just posters. Okay, the Best Buy bag. Okay, send it. Dude, this guy always sends the most fire stuff. Basic. Oh, it's actually a vintage Nike right there. Nike jersey. Oh my God, when it's summertime in here, your boy's gonna be rocking this with some shorts. Okay. Then it actually flips inside out, and then it's white with the blue check. Crazy. Everything I open, I'm gonna put it. Oh my God, I already see it. Dude. Tell me this is a Jordan UNC shirt. Okay. The vintage Nike North Carolina with the big NC in the back. Dude. This is fire. Dude, he's sending me all this stuff that I can wear in the summertime, baby. Alright, we got one more piece of... Don't tell me this is a champion jersey. Champion.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Who is it?
Bro! I don't even need to flip this around. Y'all should know who this is. Reggie Miller, baby! Oh my god, dude. Oh, it doesn't have the size tag right here, but still. This is actually, oh, it's a little ripped right here, but it's all good. Oh, he actually tried to stitch it together, I think. Damn. But I like stuff like that. Like, see how it doesn't like have the tag? It's ripped at the bottom. It's ripped on this side. It's like cracking the letters, the numbers, and everything. And it just gives it that like, that vibe that this is just a super old piece. But obviously the patchwork, the NBA logo, and the C is obviously intact, so. God, dude! Oh, there's one more piece of clothing, okay. So we got one more piece of clothing, and then we have a folder full of posters. I don't know what's in there. He said it was gonna be more basketball stuff, but some hip hop stuff. So we'll see what he sent me. That's a pretty thick folder. Okay, we started off with the single stitch. Let me see the neck tag. Okay, it's on the Onyeta, or the Juanita tag. Made in USA, size large. Right, I'm gonna let you guys see it first, and I'm just gonna try and peep the boo-boo's reaction. There's nothing on the back. What is it? Do you even know what it is?
Oh, I don't know what that is. Let's see, let's get a zoom in.
I Survive, Jamboree 93, AP Hill, Virginia, Parents, Phone, Dates, Girls, Pizza, Mall, Video Games, Money, TV. Honestly, don't know what that is, but dude, that's a dope graphic.
Yeah.
From 93?
93.
Alright, I'm definitely gonna have to look this up. I'm gonna set this down right now, but I'm gonna look this up for sure. I know this guy knows what he's talking about and what he like sends me, so this is for sure, I know, a fire piece. So thank you. Now let's get into the posters. You know your boy wearing the Crocs to match the Laker bench. Okay. It's already freaking tight. Jermaine Dupri.
I didn't really see that.
Hate me now, cocky, overrated, lucky, like Mike, little brother. Dude.
Damn.
And it's got the back print. Dude. The Woo wear? Let's go, baby. Chef Raekwon and Cyrus, dude. Okay, the boy Jay-Z. Tell me if I sound like him. I thought you retired. Nah, I said it was tired. Oh. Okay, Method Man. Got Boo Boo laughing behind.
Nice transition.
Okay, we got a little bit more of Jay Sizzle. You already know who this is. Got the big N on the neck. A little bit of Nas. Oh my God, dude, where does he get these? Oh! Biggie. Okay, an NBA cover. USA. Carmelo Magic Johnson's. Carmelo Magic Johnson and Charles Barkley. Okay, we got another poster right here. I didn't even need to see it. I saw the robot Kobe's, and that's obviously Kobe. Another Kobe right here. Ooh, with him in the Adidas. Dude, that's a sick graphic. Oh my God, dude. Okay, I think I know who this is. I think this is Jeter. I don't really watch baseball. By Jeff Bradley. don't know who this is. Okay, y'all tell me who that is, because I don't know who that is. Pretty sure I'm right though. Okay, another Jay-Z poster. Oh, we got P. Diddy. Oh, what is he doing there, boy? We got another Nas. P. Diddy. Sean John. Okay, P. Diddy right here. Oh my God, the Jay-Z. Oh. DMX. Some Mace. DJ Clue, Capone Noriega, Rockaware, Jay-Z, some more Nas, Def Jam. There's a couple people on there.
It's folding.
The Fubu. Wait, who is this? I know who this is. Who that, girl? I make one more. I don't know who that is. Look, you look like LL Cool J. Oh my God.
It's folding.
Allen Iverson, dude, in the Georgetown jersey, rocking the 11s, the Concords. Dang, I didn't even know he hooped in in those, and he has the no braids. Okay, we got Scottie Pippen. Oh my gosh, dude, these are so sick. Sean Kemp. Just oh, that's a vintage Nike page. Okay, the Jordan 3s. 2007 NBA playoffs. Kobe. Iverson when he was playing on the Nuggets. Who's this? Oh, Ludacris. Oh my God, dude, this is crazy. Bow till you fall. Lil Jon, FABOLOUS. Little Echo poster. Ghostface Killer. Another Nas poster. Got some Nikes right here. I don't know who this is. Who's on the back? Oh, Rucker. Okay, Rucker Park. Kenyon Martin. And one mixtape. Oh my God, look at this one, dude.
Ooh, sick.
The Jordan jersey. I can't believe he sent me these, dude. Patrick Ewing. I was about to say Nelly. 50 Cent. This is obviously, you know, I don't need to show you guys or tell you guys who that is. We got Josh Smith, Melo Anthony, Allen Iverson, Ron Artest when he was on the Kings. We got KG and McGrady. Street ball poster. We got Ray Allen right here. Oh my God, dude. Sean Marion, Dirk Nowitzki, Allen Iverson again. Hey, yo. And one mixtape. Again, Allen Iverson. Dude. Oh, these are all the player edition sneakers. So crazy, dude.
I like that.
Huh?
I like that skull.
Oh, Jason Williams, Gilbert Arenas. Okay, LeBron when he was wearing the mask. D Wade, Rasheed Wallace. Dude, I low-key could cover that. Yeah. Morning, guys. My hair's looking a little crazy right now. It's all good. I just woke up. I low-key forgot to film an outro for this video, but here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I got another video already locked in, so I'm putting in work for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. You already know slogan, so let's wrap it up to the goals is in the game. Amen. The fashion what is good. Peace.